Hi friends! The Rovers and Rangers of DBC Maram will be going to Tamenglong for a trekking program, and I hope we'll be enjoying there. And I'll let you know more about everything. I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, I'm going to introduce this Rovers and Rangers hiking 2022. We'll be going to various places, and that will be very exciting, and that is not still yet revealed, but we'll give a surprise visit to all the Rovers and Rangers, and we'll have a nice hiking. We'll have a good hunting.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the best.
There was the egg was on the nest was on the leaf was on the branch was on the tree was on the grass was on the valley where the green grass grew, where the green grass grew around, where the green grass grew, where the green grass grew, where the green grass grew around. La la little little la 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 la, la la little, la la little, la la little little, la la little, la la little, little little la 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 la, la la little, la la little, la la little little, la la little.
I am vlog, please. I am vlog, please subscribe. Yes. But they are very cheapers. Okay, we go ahead there. Ima Market, then Papa Market. So we have reached in Tamenglong, and this is our dormitory. This is petrol number 3, right? Petrol number 3, group 3. Yes, we're 3. Okay. So how do you feel it? We are getting the best one, the best place. Is it? Are you tired? We are not tired. Rovers are never tired. Thank you. So this is the night view of the Tamenglong, the most cold.
Rovers Rangers, attention. Rest. This exercise is for our chest. And when we say thanks, we are thanking. When we say thanks, we are looking up and shouting, right? That means we are thanking God for a new day, for a new life, new body. This is for our chest. Rovers Rangers, Saturdays. Command for me, DBC exercise number 3, position. Start. You move first to the right. You move as much as you can without moving your leg, only your upper part, and then after that, you turn the opposite side again, slowly. This exercise is for our stomach. Hold, rest. Rovers Rangers, attention. BBC exercise number 2.
Tiger Patrol member, 7 member out of 7 member all present.
See, when you report, one step forward, salute, order, and then report. Okay? After that, one step back. Clear, all of you? All the PL and APL. After devotion, we'll have inspection. So for inspection, all of you, just after devotion, go back and arrange your room properly, arrange your uniform properly. After that, come outside your room and line up according to your patrol. Okay. Now we'll move on to our devotion hall.
Gathered in His name, then He will be there with us every time when we are need also. So
Let's finish our devotion for today here. And for closing prayer, no more will.
if you get in thousands or 2,000s, and if you don't have faith, that is like useless, right? But if one or two gather with faith in Him, then that is better than thousands. That is what He's going to say also. Okay, let's pray.
Okay, for Rovers, Wolf Petrol out of 180, Tiger 70, Python 70.
Now we are in Tamenglong, and the place where we are standing is Chiuluan, Raenggaan. This is our forefathers. This slice of our forefathers' legacy, no? And it was said that it had been established in the year 650 AD. So this place we used to call it Chiuluan village, and here the villagers want to develop this Raenggaan, this place, no? A special place, so that everybody can come and enjoy, and at the same time they can also tell what Tamenglong is.
Hello, miss. How are you?
Yeah, we're good. Having fun.
Okay. Let's have fun more.
안녕하세요.
알았어. Hey.
Swadikap.
Why is it moving so much?
Go. Hey.
Let's go down then.
This is tree house. Oh, sorry. 삼리다.
안녕하십니까?
알았어.
오빠.
Ah, machine galore.
Okay, this is Chiuluan, Raenggaan, which last 2019 inauguration.
Yeah, 2000, not 19, 2017,
Give some expression.
before the pandemic. No?
Oh, 2015. Since I'm not knowing exactly the time. Sir DC Armstrong, he himself, this one inaugurated this the whole Raenggaan. Okay, the sky, this one, the skywalk, all the tree houses, and then this houses, the tourist place, everything. It is under his construction that has done to Chiuluan village. Okay. And that is just the brief. I don't know much about it also.
Actually, this Raenggaan is this one our local dialect, no? But it have to be said as just like fort only. Okay? Before we have been using head hunting, this and that, no? Lots of wars we have in between village to village. So at that time, this is the place where the villagers taking shelter. Okay, now the real game start.
One.
Don't copy us, okay?
Yes.
Don't copy us. If you copy us, you will be getting punishment.
We are judge.
Okay? Like this. Married. So that's why I told you not to copy us, okay? Okay, now game will start now. Married. Engage. Divorce. Married. Engage. Married.
Okay.
Now, when I said migrate, you have to go and change your partner, okay?
Woo! Dal boy. Dylan.
You have to go and change
Yay! Enjoy. Come.
You understand? Migrate means you have to change your partner. Okay, now, married. Yes. Divorce.
Hey.
Engage.
You are under CCTV
Yes.
surveillance.
Okay. Now, divorce. Married. Again.
Come out. Hey.
Your partner make mistake. Both of you will get the same punishment.
Yes, yes. What calf name called? Yeah, calf name. Huh? Panglen. Okay. So we're going to Panglen Cave in Tamenglong. Oh, scary. Scary. Come. So this is the cave. Oh, whoa. Wow.
How is it?
Woo!
Nice or not? Nice.
Hey, all the monkey fellow.
Be careful going down.
There's on the sky, burning in your eyes. Wow.
I'll eat all.
Sir, Kabi, please. He's leading us. Oh, yeah, he's our coordinator. He's pretty hungry right now. And this is Miss Arun.
We're so hungry.
Have it well.
I want.
Boys, are you hungry?
Very hungry. Me then, hungry already.
Hi.
Hello.
More than beautiful.
Hi. Good evening.
Good. You take a good break. No, I have to wait. Where are you waiting?
We'll go back to Maram.
Why?
Village.
How is it drinking? How is it drinking?
Oh, it was 101%.
Oh, sir. So how was it drinking?
It was wonderful, amazing, moreover tiresome, but still then we enjoyed.
Glory, how was it drinking?